Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got this wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh. Well, today, oh man, it looks like I only got 4 minutes on my card too, my SIM card. How did that happen? Well, today, you've been with me, you'll know that today I'm going to be doing the stucco patches. And I've got a few areas to do stucco patches, like right there and anywhere along here that looks a little low. See, this is up too high when I put that stair tread on there, so I'm going to have to patch these in certain areas. And dabbity nabbit, I don't have an extra SIM card with me, and I don't know how much of this I'm going to show you, but this is the material I'm using over here. I told you it was some special stuff. And see, it's called Drive It, and this happens to be Mojave mid base, and there's a certain color. I guess Mojave is probably the color. And see, this here says save for touch up, and this is kind of like the Drive It too, but this one's slightly different. See, it says sand on it. This says USG exterior textured finish, and these are the ones that I'm going to use. I think that's the one, but for some reason they ended up having two different colors. So if that's what you're interested in seeing, what that looks like, stick around. Well, isn't that something? I only have 2 minutes on my SIM card left. Here's my patching here. Doesn't that look good? Look how nice and blended in that is. The key with that stuff is you don't want to get it so smooth that you don't have any little nodules in it, because see, this has nodules in it, and when you paint it, you still have highs and lows. You don't want this all perfectly smooth, because then it'll look like a patch. Well, I don't want it to look like a patch, do I? I'm thinking that side is really good. See there? And all I used was this, kaboom, this putty knife and a paintbrush. Yeah, I used a paintbrush too. You put it on first with the putty knife, and then as it's drying, you have to go back, and then you kind of hit it with the paintbrush a little bit, and then you check it again, and you can do all kinds of stuff to it. And I still haven't done this patch yet. This side here was a little bit thicker. I'm not too happy with my first coat. See how there's some dips in there, and there's only so good you can get it if you got thicker areas. So I'm gonna spend some extra time and go over these other ones. They're looking pretty good, but see, it's still suspect, because when you get a big area, it has a tendency to want to sag on you. Okay, and so now I got like 1 minute. It says 0 minutes now, and it's probably going to cut me off any second now. I'll show you this tomorrow before I get ready to paint, so that you can see what it is. And I decided to use this stuff here, this one here, USG exterior textured finish, and the color is sand. The color is sand on there, and this stuff has lasted a long time. This is over 5 years old, and it's still nice. The key is not to put the patches on over in the sun if you can help it.